Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Apply both dark and light vignettes to photos in Lightroom Classic CC. Vignetting is often used as an artistic effect on photos. When you apply a post-crop vignette to a photo, Lightroom Classic CC adaptively adjusts the exposure of the image without changing the original image contrast. Despite its name, a post-crop vignette can be applied to either a cropped photo or an uncropped photo. To access vignetting features in the Develop module, expand the Effects panel that appears at the right side of the screen. To apply vignetting to a photo, select an option from the Style menu in the Post-Crop Vignetting area of the panel. If you select Highlight Priority, Highlight Recovery is enabled. However, choosing this option can lead to color shifts in the darker parts of a photo. Highlight Priority is most suitable for photos with bright image areas. If you select the Color Priority style, color shifts in darker areas of the photo are minimized. However, Highlight Recovery is disabled. This option is most suitable for photos with darker or richer tones. If you select Paint Overlay from the Style menu, cropped image values are mixed with black and white pixels. This style is most suitable when you want a photo to have a somewhat flat appearance. After selecting one of the three styles, use the sliders below the Style menu in the Effects panel. You'll notice that the Amount slider must be used before any of the other sliders become available. The Amount slider lets you adjust the lightness or darkness of the vignetting. If you move the slider into negative values, the corners of the photo are darkened. If you move the slider into the positive values, the corners of the photo are lightened. The Midpoint Slider lets you determine where the amount adjustment will be applied. If you move the slider into lower values, the amount adjustment is applied to a larger area of the photo. If you slide it into the higher values, the amount adjustment is applied to a smaller portion of the photo, and it is also restricted to the corners of the photo. The Roundness slider adjusts the shape of the vignette. If you move the slider into lower values, the effect becomes more oval. If you slide it into higher values, the effect becomes more circular. The Feather slider controls the softening between the vignette effect and the vignette's surrounding pixels. If you move this slider into lower values, the softening is reduced. If you move the slider into higher values, the softening is increased. The Highlight slider is only available when you select either Highlight Priority or Color Priority from the Style drop-down menu. When available, the Highlight slider controls the degree of highlight contrast preserved when the Amount slider is set to negative values. This control is most suitable for photos that have small areas of highlighting, like images of candles or lamps. As you practice applying vignetting to photos, you'll develop a sense of how the Style menu options combine with the slider options to provide a wide variety of image effects. Keep in mind that you can double-click the name of any slider to restore its default value.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.